So the company Telesin gifted me this kit, which comes with the magnetic grip and the selfie ring light. Let's see what these two bring. This is the magnetic grip. This is how it looks. And this is basically how you're gonna hold it. And this will go towards the back of your phones with the magnetic. It has the charging cable and of course a little handle to just make sure that you doesn't fall, and some instructions. It attached right away, so you have a nice grip. It has a detachable remote that's where you're going to be charging the unit. So now let's open the selfie light and see how it all works together. We have here the selfie light, the charging cable, instructions, magnet, and our selfie light, which the nice cool thing about it has a mirror, so you can be looking and checking out yourself as you're doing your videos. As you can see, this is the whole thing, and then you press down here and you're gonna have the light go on, and you can change the colors. You can see there's the amber. This Telesin Creator Kit is just what you need to make your videos, vlogging, Zoom calls much more easier. You can control everything with the buttons. You can adjust the brightness of the light, and the light has a 360 rotable adjustment. You can use each of the products individually, the ring light or the grip, but it's going to create blogging, video, selfie taking so fun. Highly recommended. I love it.